5. Passive income ideas to make $1,000 per month in 2025. Are you here looking to make some additional cash in US dollars? What happens if you consistently make more than $1,000 a month? After going through this, figure out how much you would make annually. What if you could live off of your wage alone, never having to rely on anybody else for financial support? How about paying your rent and other bills first? In today's video, we will walk you through 5 passive income strategies that will help you reach financial freedom by earning $1,000 a month by 2025. I know you love to hear that. Let's get started. Number 1. Content creation. Are you wondering how you might start earning money as a content creator in 2025? These are a few great ideas for you to try. Start a podcast. A fantastic approach to earning money online is to launch a podcast. You may begin sharing your content online with only a few easy steps, whether it is through your website, social networking accounts, or reputable podcast directories. Teach online courses. Do you possess any unique abilities? Do you have a talent for dancing, baking, singing, or painting? What remarkable fact about arithmetic, science, or politics do you know? To assist people in learning from you, you may provide a course and work as an online tutor. Online courses can be profitable if you work at them strategically. High-earning course developers might occasionally make up to $100,000 annually. In 2025, this is unquestionably among the greatest ways to make money online. Social media campaigns. If you're an influencer with a sizable social media following, businesses in your niche may find value in using your voice as part of their marketing plan. You can increase your personal earning potential while assisting other entrepreneurs in selling their goods. Creating a blog. A wonderful way to work remotely is to start an internet blog. Maintaining a blog enables you to communicate your thoughts to readers across the globe. You can carefully match your interests, pastimes, and skills with your blog. As you expand, online advertising and brand alliances might help you make steady revenue. You can earn $1,000 or more per month from blogging if you can launch a site in a market that you are passionate about. Start a YouTube channel. Another fantastic approach to making money online in your free time is to start a YouTube channel. One of the simplest social media sites to make money on is YouTube. Approximately $18 is given to YouTubers for every 1,000 views on their videos. You can share interesting and amusing video content on YouTube. You could even create material to supplement another source of income. Since YouTube allows free video uploading, you can save money on startup fees for your business. To make extra money, you might take advantage of monetization features and adverts. Thanks to a few strategically placed advertising campaigns, visitors will contribute to your revenue while they watch videos on your channel. Your ability to get paid will grow as your following grows. Publishing videos on YouTube allows you to add your voice to a multitude of conversations, all while adding money to your wallet. It is possible to get compensated for originality and inventiveness. You will begin earning as soon as you complete the requirements of the YouTube Partnership Program, which include having 4,000 views, 1,000 subscribers, and more. Start now to become a millionaire by 2025. Number 2. Stock buying stocks is another strategy to get passive income in 2025. It entails purchasing stock in a company in the hopes that it will expand and do well on the stock market over time, increasing your return on investment. Establishing precise financial objectives, knowing your investing capacity, and your risk tolerance should come first. Next, fund your account, choose a broker that fits your trading style, and purchase stocks. And if you're looking for passive income, concentrating on stocks with a high dividend yield could help you achieve that. A dividend is the amount that a business gives its shareholders out of its profits. The corporation determines how much of the dividend is paid out. High-yielding dividend companies have the potential to pay 4% to 5% or more in dividends. However, dividend stocks are an easy way to generate passive income for individuals who have the means to invest. Consistency and reinvesting dividends are further factors. It takes perseverance and consistency to accumulate a substantial dividend stock portfolio. By using dividend reinvestment, you use your paid dividend to purchase further shares as opposed to receiving cash. If you want to see your earnings grow more quickly, reinvesting the dividends is usually the best option because it can greatly increase your returns. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Another fantastic option to make money from home is through affiliate marketing. You can frequently even use this to get passive revenue straight from your social media pages or website. You may profit from affiliate marketing by forming alliances with the brands and retailers you love. An already existing audience and a lot of excitement are all you need. Working in affiliate marketing allows you to get paid each time a customer uses your affiliate link to make a purchase. All you have to do is assist your partners in selling products. Send customers to websites that are affiliated with you. When you assist other firms in making sales, you will receive payment. The year 2025 is drawing near, so move quickly. Start by selecting an affiliate network, a niche, and affiliate marketing training. The following are a few instances of affiliate networks: Shopify, Impact, AffiliaX, GiddyUp, ClickBank, FlexOffers, Avangate, Affiliate, Network, Rakuten Advertising, ShareASale, Awin, Amazon, CJ Affiliate. Consistency is the key to affiliate marketing. Publish high-quality content regularly, evaluate your outcomes, and adjust your strategy as necessary. Your commitment will steadily gain pace as you get closer to your $1,000 monthly target. Keep in mind that learning and persistent effort are the cornerstones of affiliate marketing success, and that marathons are run one step at a time. Number 4. Digital products. Available products digitally are known as digital products. These consist of virtual items offered inside video games, software, music, digital art, ebooks, and online courses. Usually sent to clients through email or download, they allow companies to add value without having to hold actual inventory. Since digital products may be generated once and sold repeatedly to different clients without needing to replace inventory, learning how to sell them can potentially lead to passive income. For anyone seeking effective online income streams, such as bloggers, instructors, freelancers, and creatives, these platforms are perfect. Entrepreneurs are establishing entire businesses on digital products. Customers will frequently have access to free substitutes for your products when purchasing digital goods. This calls for thorough consideration of your niche and well-written product descriptions that highlight the benefits of your offering. According to a J.P. Morgan analysis, the digital goods market will be valued at $74 billion by 2025. This means that there is a sizable market out there for digital producers, regardless of experience level. In addition, piracy of digital products may be more common than that of physical goods. It could be necessary for you to use security features and solutions to safeguard your products. Where do you provide digital goods for sale? Offer your digital goods through a variety of online sales channels to broaden their audience and introduce more people to your company. Create an online store to sell your digital goods, market your company, and provide reader-friendly content. To reach a pre-existing audience, create profiles on digital product marketplaces in your niche. Recall that certain marketplaces may charge up to 50% in commission for each transaction. If you create your online store, you can avoid seller costs. Online courses, ebooks, printable digital products, digital templates and tools, licensed digital content, premium content libraries, product photography, music, art, entertainment, digital services, and digital memberships are some of the best digital products to sell online. Number 5. Real estates. Investing in real estate is another option to make $1,000 a month in 2025. There are several ways that real estate might generate passive income. If you don't want to own or manage real estate, you can first buy shares in a real estate investment trust, REIT. Rather, you will own stock in a business that makes investments in commercial real estate and mortgages. profit will be gained from the company's successful investments. REITs are required by federal law to distribute to shareholders at least 90% of their profits, so anytime the business does well, you'll receive profits. After that, you can buy rental homes to start earning money each month from rent. If you acquire numerous properties, this technique can get quite chaotic as it entails managing properties. Fortunately, you can engage a business to handle your properties as you scale. The monthly payout of thousands of dollars can help you finance your properties and put more money in your pocket. Each rent payment increases in value as you pay off the residences. Additionally, property appreciation offers you the chance to sell the asset for a significant profit. As with any investment, keep in mind to diversify your risk, learn about and comprehend market prospects, and create a long-term plan to capitalize on the highest possible growth. You won't believe how simple it is, and this is the correct time to think because we are left with only 3 months of 2024. However, the truth is that anyone can succeed in real estate investing if they try and use the appropriate plan. Although rental properties have always provided a source of passive income, property management will become even more effective in 2025 with the use of technology. With any luck, this video has given you the motivation to earn money and live a more satisfying life. Why do you wait? Take the initial step towards accomplishing your financial objectives by investigating these passive income sources right now. Tell your friends and relatives about this video if they're also trying to make additional money. Together, let's become financially independent. Which of these concepts do you like best? Drop your answer in the comments section, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you on your way to breakthrough. Bye.